Hi, library friends. I'm Liz Kinnear. I'm the exhibit room coordinator at the Waupaca Area Public Library, and I am here today to show you how to log into a Zoom meeting. For this fall and probably for most of the winter, all of our programming at the library is going to be virtual to keep us safe, to keep you safe, but mostly to keep connecting with you guys. We decided that Zoom programming is the best way to go. We miss you guys though, so please make sure you're staying safe and healthy, and we will be back together as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, though, we will be doing virtual programming. So, what that means is if you see a program that you like, either through marketing materials or through the library website, all you have to do is go to the library website, which is here. If you're looking for an adults program, you'd click on adults, and then it'll list all of the programs and information that's going on at the library right now. For example, we have virtual book club coming up. This one is closed, so it'll say registration is closed. But if you would like to be added to the wait list, you can always call the library and one of the librarians will add you to the wait list. Another program that's coming back is Life Class. So if we want to register for Life Class, all we do is click register. You enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number, and then you hit register. When you click register, your email address will be sent to Laura Jandisek at the library. She's in charge of all of our adult programming. You'll receive an email from Laura with an invitation to the Zoom meeting. We're doing this for everyone's safety. Sometimes if the Zoom address is out there publicly for everyone to see, we get some people that we don't want joining our meetings. So this way we know that everyone that's attending the program is meant to be there. So Laura will send you an email. All you have to do is go to your email and it'll be a link that says join Zoom meeting. It's really easy. All you do is you click on the link if you're on your PC or a laptop, and it'll open up the Zoom meeting. So I'm going to show you how to log into the Zoom meeting on an iPad as well so that we can actually talk to Laura and see what it looks like. So if I grab my iPad, I go back to my email. This is my email from Laura. And here it says join Zoom meeting. It'll give the email address. All I do is click on the link. Come on, there it goes. And Zoom will open. The first time you do this, you might have to download the Zoom app, which is really easy. You just go to your app store, search for Zoom, and install it on your iPad or your smartphone, any of those places. So here's Laura. I'm going to tap that I'm going to call using my internet audio so that she can hear me. So here I am. Here's Laura. Hi, Laura. So right now,
thanks for coming to my Zoom meeting.
You're welcome. So right now, Laura can't see me. I'm this black little box down here. So when I started my call with Laura, she let me in, and now I have to go up here where it says start video. I tap that, and there I am. So now you can see me down here. So we're hoping that we'll have lots of people joining us on Zoom meetings. So if you want to see the other participants, you go over here to switch to gallery view. We're getting some feedback. Sorry, Laura.
Oh, that's fine.
And now I can see everybody who's in the meeting. So there's Laura. She's the leader. When Laura set up there's my phone that I'm recording myself on. When Laura sets up the meetings, though, she will have it set up so that you're muted when you come in. And that's how we want it to stay. You can, if you want, you can unmute yourself, say hi to Laura, but then as soon as the meetings or the program starts, she will put you back on mute so that we don't get any funny feedback issues. There's a couple fun tools on Zoom. So we've got the gallery view so that we can see everybody who's here. And then if you have a question or you'd like to make a comment, all you have to do is go in the right-hand corner. There's 3 dots and it says more. If you'd like to add something, you click there, tap raise hand. And now since Laura's running the meeting, she can see that I have a question. She will call on you just like you would in class or at a program, let you ask your question, take you off of mute, and then she'll put you back on mute so that you can hear the response from the leader of the discussion. Laura, is there anything you'd like to add?
Yes. So we are, during COVID, we're still not providing in-person programming, but we do. So we're branching off into this new Zoom world, and I hope you'll join us. We have several Zoom programs coming up in October. So on October 8th, we've got life classes returning at 6 p.m. And we're going to be doing a Journey to Better series. And that will be a 3-part series, community building conversations about racism. And I hope you'll join us. On the 31st of October, which is Halloween, we have Visiting the Beyond with Kurt Strutz. And that also will be a virtual Zoom program. And Kurt Strutz, he's a paranormal explorer, and he's going to take us on a virtual haunted journey, which should be really awesome. And then on November 14th, we've got our book club, and that will be, the book that we're reading is called The Monogram Murders by Sophie Hannah. And so we're going to be bringing in those books, audiobooks, large print books of that title into the library. If you care to join our book club, it would be awesome. Come in, check out the book, and then register, and I'll send you the link to the Zoom meeting.
So with the book club, Laura, you'll have copies available at the library?
Yes.
And patrons can stop in, pick it up curbside or in person, like normal? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, and that'll be at 10 o'clock on November 14th.
Okay.
It's a Saturday.
That sounds good. And it's simple to register. All you have to do is go to the library website, find the program you're looking for, and go through the registration steps. And then they can expect to get an email from you to get the Zoom link and any other information that they need.
They can also give us a call too, and staff can register them also.
Okay, so if someone is having a little bit of trouble figuring out Zoom, would it be okay if they stop in at the library to ask one of the librarians for assistance if it's their first time using Zoom, or maybe they've tried it and it's just, they're not getting it?
Sure.
Is it okay to bring in their smartphone or their tablet or their laptop and have you walk them through it?
Yes, we can provide one-on-one assistance, and we do ask that you come in, that you wear a mask, and that you use hand sanitizer, and we'll try and social distance the best of our abilities in order to get you onto the Zoom technology. So
okay,
yeah, we are happy to help.
Awesome. That sounds good. Anything else, Laura?
No, I think that is it. I so appreciate you coming in and doing the Zoom tutorial for us.
Of course, and we're really excited. Even if it has to be virtually, we miss all of our patrons, and we miss our programming that we have at the library. So we're excited, even if it has to be virtual for now. We're excited to see everybody, even if it's through our screens, but to be able to reconnect and continue on with lifelong learning.
And this is an opportunity for growth, definitely. So.
Yep. And speaking of programs, don't forget to check out our new Read, Learn, Grow fall book club that's happening.
Yes.
So that'll be happening too, and there'll probably be some fall programs to go along with that. So keep watching for those too. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys. If you have questions, never hesitate to stop in at the library or give us a call. We're always here to help. Otherwise, we'll see you soon.
Liz, can we sign off doing the Zoom wave, which is...
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
So that's all we have to do. Then I click leave the meeting. Click it there. And I'm all done. So please join us for our Zoom, our virtual programming. Like I said, we miss you guys, but we are excited to connect even in this virtual way. Be safe, take care of yourself, and we'll see you soon at the library. Bye.